I'm trying to make a living, making all of these songs. Ain't what I want to tell me, ain't what I want to tell me. I used to watch the news, it made me mad. The whole world, it feels so sad. I don't wanna be a negative influence, I don't wanna be a negative influence. I don't sleep cause my stomach's always churning. I really wonder if the work is worth it. Does everything have to be perfect? Does everything have to be perfect? My mood, it swings like an axe. Once I make these songs, there's no going back, no going back. I tried to be a hero but I fucking relapsed. I don't give a damn what you people might think. I don't give a damn if I ain't PC. I'm the underdog, I don't remain as that. I'm the underdog, I will remain as that. I don't wanna rock the boat, but I feel things are getting worse. Everybody's in the dark, we're at each other's necks, we're at each other's necks. Hell's empty there on earth, hell's empty there on earth, hell's empty there on earth, hell's empty there